This is the
Ay bali una mo dire kuan.
This is the uma. And the Bisaya of the uma is baka.
I told that to my Tommy before. I want to work.
Uma.
Ana siya.
This is the binda.
Mo ni alternate sa blocks.
This is the blocks because we have no money for the
We have
cement.
no money to buy some blocks, so we decided to make some
Noise.
shit.
You said to me, you don't want me to work. What is what?
With this ano
With this
13
metal.
bar.
With this metal sheet. You have to blanket a little bit because it's a very strong wind this.
Gago! Stronger. Mao ni among nabali mga bay. Oh, dili day ako nagbali siya day. Daghan ano nya patanahon ta mo lain pa jud nga kuha na porma nindot kasi nga tanan. Pinakanindot sa tibuok kalibutan na straight na siya. That is a straight. And it's a lock. Here's a lock, and this one is uma 50 height.